So right now I'm going to the laundry room to dry our clothes. Yeah, so good thing about this extended stay is that they have a laundry facility on site, of course, as I'm sure all extended stays does. But yeah. Thank you. So while the girls are sleeping, that's what I'm doing. So yeah. Alright, so that is done. Good thing about that too is like they give you this card right here and you can put money on it to go wash your clothes. Your speakers is horrible, bro. But anyways, yeah, because it doesn't take like quarters or anything like that. So like they make their money because you gotta pay $2 to get the card. Then pay money to like get money to put on the card. And then like the internet over here, like they do have Wi-Fi, but you have to pay $7.50 for 1 week and $15 for 2 weeks. So yeah, they make their money over here, but it's still kind of cheaper. So I'm about to go in here. I'm trying to be quiet to not wake the girls up. So I'm gonna start seasoning some meat to cook for today. So I'm gonna get back at y'all. So the girls are still sleeping, thank God. I'm going to get the clothes out of the dryer now. I ain't gonna even lie, I've been stressed out to the max. From when we first came here, or on the way here, got a flat tire, got in a car accident, car is totaled, now we only dealing with one car, and it's just so frustrating. fully dry. So that means it's gonna have to air dry. I only have $1 left on my card, and it costs $1.50 to dry some more. Camera and carry the basket. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. There we go. Sorry that y'all bouncing around, but y'all are in the basket right now, so that's the only way I could have hold y'all and held the basket too. It's a pretty day today. Wish I had a car so that when the girls wake up I could have took Grace to the park somewhere, but in order to do that, gotta wait till Markell come home. Now, don't get me wrong, I could still bring Markell to work and have the car, but who wants to wake up early like that? Not me. And bring the kids? Nah. Alright, so I'm about to go back in now. And I don't want to talk while I'm in there, because I don't want to wake them up. Try to get as much time by myself as much as possible. I feel like I got bags under my eyes, but it's all good. So I'm gonna talk to y'all whenever they wake up. So the girls are up and I'm about to start cooking.
Hi.
Let me see if I can put y'all where the light is. Watch what you're doing, Grace.
Hi. Okay.
So this is some sliced pork. It's for a Mexican dish, but I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna use it for like put it in some gravy with some potatoes and stuff like that.
Hi guys.
They really thinly sliced, so everybody's gonna get some meat.
Hi guys. And this candy. This candy I can now we could.
This is some homemade roux. I'll use that for my gravy. Roux can be used for plenty of things. You can make gumbo with this, which is I just recently used it for. But I'm gonna use this for my brown gravy. And these are the potatoes I'm using. These are the petite gold gourmet potatoes. I'm gonna slice them in half and put it in the gravy with the meat.
Take a cheese, my And we have target who want to play, guys. Hi, what are you doing? Sherry. Pink? Strawberry pink. Hi guys, it's this mommy cousin. Okay, hi guys. We got popcorn and
Sorry, I keep moving y'all around, but I just wanted to show y'all how thin this pork was sliced. So it's really thin. This is perfect for like wrapping it with like tomatoes, Lord, like jalapenos, and wrap it with bacon and stuff like that. But it's really thin, so it's kind of like I'll make a stew with it, like a pork stew. One thing that I'm happy about myself is that I can pick up any type of meat, pack of meat, and do something with it. My family is going to always eat, you know what I'm saying? And where I come from, the way we cook, we like our rice, our gravy with some meat and beans on the side, whether it be green beans, corn, or something like that. That's just how we eat. I'm gonna use my Goya. This is called the Perfect Seasoning with pepper. And we're about to start coughing and sneezing because every time I season in here, it's like it's not ventilated good enough. So that seasoning gets in our nose and our throats and stuff. So I use a good bit of this. This has garlic, onion, salt, parsley, oregano, cumin, ground pepper. And I use this Goya. This is the all-purpose seasoning. It's the spicy one. Put some of that.
I got the same.
Woo!
Why are you coughing?
The seasoning. Yeah. And lastly, my cayenne pepper. So a little bit of that because Izzy do eat with this too.
Mama, I want to have you.
I'm going to add just a little bit of Tony's.
I want to have you, Mommy.
And what I don't normally do, I usually add my minced garlic in the pot, but I'm gonna add it to my pork and mix it together. And I add a good bit of garlic because I love garlic. So I'm gonna mix that all together.
Mommy, how to make it? Mommy, how to make it?
Alright, so in my pot I have my roux, my onions, my bell peppers, and I had cut up my potatoes in there. So this is the base of everything pretty much. I mean, whenever I cook, that's how I start out everything. I always start it, well, not the roux. I usually have some type of oil, whether it be olive oil or vegetable oil, with my onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Let's saute that, then I add my meat to everything. But I'm going to add just a little bit of water to it because I don't want my gravy to burn. And then I'm gonna drop my meat in there now. Mix it all in pretty good. Cover it up and let it cook on its own. And you know I have my seasoning with my garlic. So all of this should be seasoned really well. Don't know what type of style we're gonna have with it just yet, but I am making a different meal. So I'm gonna let this do its thing. See, this is my roux right here. I made this specifically for gumbo because we wanted some gumbo the other day, but we didn't have. Arizona don't sell roux. They don't even know what roux is, to be honest with you. So yeah, I had to make my own. It was my first time making my own, and I did a pretty good job, I must say. All right. I'm gonna leave that alone and start on my next.